Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel DJ Kid. So in today's video I'm going to give you a overall review of the market as it stands, and then talk to you about a project which in my opinion could easily 100x in this bull run. So guys, let's get straight into it. Okay, so as we can see here, the market at the moment as it stands is down 0.5% in the last 24 hours. A lot of scare in the market at the moment, that's kind of driven by the conflict out in the Middle East between Iran and Israel, and yeah, that did send the prices down over the weekend, so over the last few days. However, we have been seeing a bit of a recovery in the market at the moment, and today as well, but we're still not at the levels that we were a couple of days or a week or so ago. Bitcoin is trading at 63.5, ETH is trading at 3.1k, and as we can see here, still a bit of red in the market over the last 24 hours in within the top 10 of the top 100 highest market cap projects. And we can see in the last 7 days Bitcoin is down 11.5%, ETH is down 15%, Solana is down 23%. So last 7 days hugely impacted by the news that came out in the Middle East. So the conflict between those two countries. So guys, as it stands, the market is looking a bit shaky, but the positive here is that we have slightly recovered, and hopefully we continue to recover as we head towards the Bitcoin halving, which is only 4 days away. So literally in 4 days we'll get the Bitcoin halving, which would mean that supply of Bitcoin will reduce, demand potentially stays the same or goes up, and prices hopefully should literally spike and go pretty much parabolic. So that's what we're hoping for. Let's see how it plays out. Normally, as they say, historically we've always had a bit of a drop before the halving. So we've had a pre-halving drop in prices, and you could potentially even say that what we saw over the weekend was a pre-halving dump. So yeah, let's kind of see how it plays out, following the same trend as it has done historically leading up into the halving. So hopefully it continues to follow the same trend and ends up going higher and parabolic as it's always done in the last few halving cycles as well. Okay, so cool. So let's get that off and let's go back to CoinGecko. Okay guys, the project that I wanted to talk to you about is a project called Nibiru. So Nibiru is a bit of a weird name to pronounce for me anyways, but the ticker for that is Nibi. So if I open that up, Nibiru is the project name. Okay, so ticker is Nibi, Nibi, up 3.7% in the last 24 hours, trading at 36 cents. And FDV, from a fully diluted valuation perspective, is at 545 million. So still, from an FDV point of view, there's still room for this project to move to the upside. Market cap is not currently listed on CoinGecko. So obviously the project is still pretty new. If we take a look at the trends here, we can see the last 30 days trend. So obviously launched at ICO and then launched in the market in the last 30 days, has taken a bit of a hit on price, but has kind of stabilized at around 30 the kind of 30 cents level, and hopefully now we should see this project play out and continue to go up. Okay, so as I was saying guys, FDV 500 million, total supply of tokens is 1.5 billion, and performance in the last 24 hours is up 3.7%. So let's load up the website, let's see what it has to offer. Okay, so the Web3 hub ushering in the next era of money. Okay, so basically Nibiru chain is a layer 1 blockchain, and it's designed to be highly scalable, also developer friendly, and it aims to support the broad adoption of Web3 technologies. So it touches on various different elements. There's the element of DeFi, NFTs, and also real world asset application as well. And the blockchain is built with Cosmos SDK, so runs from or on the Cosmos ecosystem, and it uses WebAssembly, so WASM, for its smart contracts. So it really focuses on providing security against common exploits. And yeah, I'll take you down the website here so we can see a bit more of the statistics. So a secure smart contract platform driven by a vibrant community. So the community for this project as well is absolutely amazing. Huge community. But if I just read out some of these statistics here, 135 million total transactions, testnet, 286,000 members on the Discord. So that's a huge amount of followers on the Discord. 1.4 second block time. So you can see it's a pretty fast blockchain. 28,000 contracts deployed as well. Scalable and focuses on performance and reliable. And we can just go down the list here. Obviously, guys, as I was saying, as I always say in every video, nothing that I say is financial advice. So make sure you do your own research as well if you do look to invest. But this is just purely my opinion, and this looks like a great project from my point of view. So in terms of scalability and speed, so the Nibiru chain processes up to 40,000 transactions per second with a block time of just 1.4 seconds. And you know, when comparing that to some of the other blockchains, so Ethereum, for example, Ethereum was around 30 transactions per second under Ethereum 1.0, and then obviously it's improved with ETH 2.0 and so on, and continues to improve with the upgrades. But you know, for this being a new blockchain, you can compare it to something like Ethereum and see that it's miles ahead in terms of the way that the blockchain scales and the volume that it can basically absorb. And also, if you compare that then to Solana's TPS claims to be up to about 65,000 TPS with a block time of 400 milliseconds to 800 milliseconds. So Solana is a pretty established blockchain as well, which is very fast and very efficient. And obviously Nibiru being just a new blockchain, which the project has just kind of launched, it's still got kind of miles to go before it hits that Solana level. But we can just kind of compare the transaction per second and the block time versus some of these well-established blockchains, just to see how far ahead at this level the technology of Nibiru is. So yeah, as I was saying, guys, it looks like a fantastic project from a investment point of view. Some of the best in the game. So meet our backer. So you got NGC Ventures, Tribe Capital, you got CoinList, Kraken, Crypto, what's that? I think that's Republic Crypto there, Lecca, Altcoin Buzz. I mean, the list literally goes on. So there's quite a lot of VCs that have invested in the project. So the private token sale round was, I believe it was around 8 million or so, 8.5 million. And these were some of the big investors within that round. And then there was the public sale on CoinList, where there was an additional 6 million or so that was raised. And the project was literally sold out in the public sale very quickly. So it just shows that the demand for this project is there. And here you can see the ecosystem. Ecosystem consists of various different projects. So you got IBC, Alpha Grove, Eclipse, and if I just click this, so let's explore the ecosystem. Let's give that a second to load. So yeah, I mean, the list is pretty much endless. So you can see 119 projects within the ecosystem, the likes of Arbitrum, Avalanche, Atomic Wallet, and obviously, guys, you can go through the list and see what other projects are there as well when doing your own research. Okay, so lastly, I just wanted to point out the Twitter. element of this project. So we can see here 589,000 followers on Twitter, and that is an absolutely huge amount. So you can see the community is there, the tech is there, the project looks solid, the fundamentals are there, and hence the reason why I'm saying, guys, this looks like a absolutely great project to potentially keep on your radar and do a bit more research into and invest if this is a project that you would like to invest in. But from an engagement point of view as well, we can see there's decent engagement on some of their tweets here. This looks like a retweet from Nibiru. But if we go down the list, you can see 1.2k likes, 158 retweets, and it continues to go down. 88k views on this one. So I mean, there's community engagement, and from a community point of view, they were also doing an airdrop, which also might be driving some of those followers as well on Twitter. But overall, as I was saying, guys, huge community, huge following, over 200,000 on Discord and over 500,000 on Twitter. So a really good solid community there. So guys, hit me up in the comments below. Give me your thoughts on Nibiru. Let me know if this is a project that is of interest to you, if it's one that you're considering, if it's on your radar. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you've got any other projects. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.